As you think about the writing process, I want you to understand that there is not necessarily one right way to approach writing, but it is important to consider it a process. You don't want to be given an essay assignment and then sit down and start typing the essay. You need to make sure that you complete some steps beforehand. The general order that the writing process happens in is this, and again, there can be some variations, but first you want to choose your topic if you are not given a topic, and or understand what the prompt, the purpose, and the audience for your essay is. And in the video below, it goes into much more detail about what it means to understand the prompt, the purpose, and the audience. After you understand that, you want to begin your pre-writing. Pre-writing is probably the biggest part of the writing process before you actually begin drafting your essay. The video within the reading chapters shows you some visuals on different ways that you can do some brainstorming, as well as the video. And it's important to find the brainstorming technique that works for you. Not every technique will work for everyone, so take your time, experiment with different types of brainstorming, and see what will help you generate the most ideas. The next one that I have here, number 3, is not on the video, but I do think it's an important one that I put in right after the pre-writing step, and that is to create your thesis statement. It is important to know what the main point of your essay is, as well as to know the topics you're going to cover before you begin organizing and outlining your information. So I would recommend creating your thesis statement after you've come up with your brainstorming. And then after you have your thesis statement, you can start organizing and outlining all the material, the topic sentences, the thesis statements, the details that will go in the paragraphs, and so forth. Then number 5, 6, and 7 are pretty standard. You want to draft your essay, go back and revise and edit and proofread, move things around, add to it if you can, and then come up with your final draft. So those are the basic steps of the writing process. As you read the chapters and watch the videos, I would recommend that you take notes. You will have a quiz at the end of the lesson that asks you some questions about the writing process. And even more important, having the notes about how to go about the writing process will help you when you get to lesson 4 and you have to compose your own essay.